Hey guys, it's me, Paige, and I have some very exciting news. I wrote a kid's book. I just got this in the mail yesterday, and for you it's probably in reverse, so I'm sorry about that, but the rest of the video will be the right way. And I'm going to just do a read along and then talk a little bit about why I wrote the book, but I am so excited! And I hope you guys like it, so without further ado, let's get into it. Plumber Paige, Let's Replace a Shower Head by Paige Knowles. This book is dedicated to my parents for encouraging me to believe in myself and do great things. Hello, I'm Plumber Paige. Today we are going to replace a shower head. What you will need: slip joint pliers, Teflon tape, adjustable wrench, and a rag or towel. And of course, the new shower head. Come on, let's go. This is the customer's house. Let's go greet them kindly. Hello, Mrs. Smith. I'm here to fix your shower head. Could you please show me to your bathroom? Great, right this way. Here it is. Let me know if you need anything. Thank you. Step 1. Remove old shower head. Tip: lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Step 2. Clean off the threads with a rag. Step 3. Apply 2 to 3 rounds of Teflon tape on the threads. Tip: make sure to push the tape into the threads in a clockwise direction. Step 4. Twist on the new shower head. Tip: hand tight, turning to the right. Use a wrench with a towel wrapped around the pipe if it feels loose. Step 5. Turn the water on and check for leaks. If it works, you are done. If it leaks out of the wrong parts, try again. Now that you're done, clean up. I was always taught to leave it better than you found it. Alright, Mrs. Smith, finished up. Hope you like it. Thank you so much, Paige. It looks great. Here is your money, Paige. Thank you again. Of course, let me know if you need anything else. Thanks for coming along with me. Let's review what we did on the next page. To replace Mrs. Smith's shower head, first, we took off the old shower head. Second, clean off any gunk left on the arm with a rag. Third, press Teflon tape into the threads. Fourth, hand tight the new head onto the arm. Fifth, check for leaks. Lastly, clean up your work area. See you next time, Plumber Paige. About the author. Paige Knowles is a 2020 high school graduate from the Plumbing and Heating Lab at Lehigh Career and Technical Institute, or LCTI. Since graduation, she has become determined to be an advocate for the trades. She works closely with Let's Build Construction Camp for Girls. Learn more about them at letsbuildcamp.com. She hopes to start speaking publicly to schools around the world to encourage students to consider a path in the construction industry. Find out more about Paige and how you can support her and her mission on her website, plumberpaige.com, or find her on social media. Hey guys, my name is Paige Knowles and I am the author of this book. I really wanted to write this book because nowadays kids don't know that a job in the construction industry is a viable career path. They are taught from the very beginning that college is the only way, and so I just wanted to put it out there more, but also tell them, show them that girls can be in the construction industry and that it isn't a bad job. Oh yeah guys, also sorry to interrupt, but check out my shirt. It's new merch, and if you haven't already, you should go check out the link in the description, and it is also on my website. It's plumberpaige.com. Please go support me and buy the book, buy the shirt. Yeah, sorry for interrupting. Back to the video. Yeah, so I wrote this book so you guys could follow along the steps and actually do this task. And I will be putting up another video of me doing the task with my cousin, probably a little kid, to show you guys that it is doable. I illustrated and wrote this book. I published it through Amazon, so you guys can go check it out on Amazon, or you can order it through me. You can DM me, put it in the comments, anything. Find a way to contact me. I have a website that you can put in the little chat box, and I'll probably find another way. But you can buy them from me, and I will sign it if you want a customized sign or something, or just me to sign it. I will do that and send it to you guys too. So that's the book. I hope you guys liked it. If you did like this book, please leave a thumbs up and share this video with anybody so that other kids can hear about it too. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time.